Hey guys, how's it going? I hope you had a great trading day. Before we jump into the work study lesson today, and oh, are we gonna do a work study lesson today? We're gonna jump into the Discord. I got a great quick little testimony we're gonna check out. But check it out. If you have never seen a JD Hyder technical analysis strategist work study lesson, you want to check this one out. Let's go deeper. All right, y'all. So check this out. In the Discord, we be done a lot of times by, I don't know, man. With Discord, a lot of people be done by 10:30 a.m. The market opened up at 9:30. We be done by 10:30, 11. So, people just posting. Somebody posted it today. I don't post every day, but I'm still making money. 1469. We love that. You know what I'm saying? This is somebody with a pro account first day. Yep, grabbed some cash, just took a nice little base hit for 475. We love that. And then somebody just said, at JD, you are my GOAT. Like, word, man. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Your strategy has helped me hit a lot of my goals already this year. Trading YM, US 30,000 tick chart. It moves slower, so I'm able to catch the trades better, but your strategy is still immaculate. Thank you. I mean, wow. But check it out. It's so important what they said. Okay, I trade the ES 1000 tick chart. Some of my students trade the 25 tick chart. Some of them trade the 3000 tick chart. You have to find the speed of market that you can read, right? And so what they are trying to say is that they went to YM. They're not even on the ES because price action is price action. It doesn't matter the instrument. You can go to gold, you can go to YM, you can go to ES. Whatever you want to trade, that's up to you. All right. Once you have learned how to read a price chart. So, but they're still on a 1000 tick chart, But the YM, I don't trade YM, but they said go slower. Makes sense to me. Boom, and hey, it's working. So listen, that was the testimony for today. Just wanted to point that out. But listen, it's time for that JD Hyder work study lesson. But if you do need a little help on your trading journey, right? What we gonna do? What we gonna do? Check all the links in the description. We'll come back. Cause I gotta get into this lesson because we about to do some straight up work study. All right, check this out. Today had awesome price action. When I say today had awesome price action, I say today had awesome price action. I can just glance at the chart and I see a perfect market cycle, trend up, trend break, retest to new high. I know you don't know. Some of you have no idea what I'm talking about. I'm gonna show it to you right now. Watch this. Watch this here. Let me get my tool up. Y'all know I don't be ready. I be having to say that all the time. Let me get my tool up. I don't be ready. Okay. This is beautiful price action, people. Beautiful price action. And my tool comes up faster now. I got a better computer. Check it out. Here we go. Should I draw in yellow or blue? Let's go yellow. Listen, here it is. So, for those of you who don't know, who are new to my channel, I teach people this basic. If you can get this pattern right here, you can really change your trading journey overnight, right? If you can just see it, but it takes people a while to see it. So I try to draw it like this because this is the pattern. Although in the market, it's going to look slightly different each and every time because that's trading. But check out this pattern. If you can just learn to see this, you can change everything. Trend up, trend break, retest to new high. That's how the market moves. It moves in twos. This would have been leg one. This would have been leg two. That's it. Now, a better way I could draw for you is this. Trend up, two legs back. Then read the text. Because then you got leg one, leg two, leg one, leg two. You know why it looks like that? Because the market moves in twos. It does the same way going short. Look, trend down, trend break, retest a new low. Here it is again. Trend down, maybe two legs back up. True low. And again, here we go. This is leg one. This is leg two. This would have been leg one here. This would have been leg two. The market moves in twos, all right? If you can see this pattern, I'm trying to tell you in there, and you don't believe me, here it is right here on the other side of my chart. Trend up, trend break, retest to new high. Now you guys see it? Here's leg one. Here's leg two. Perfect market cycle today. That's the market. That's how the market moves on a big scale. See, if you learn how to look at it from the big scale, then you know it's coming because you know what you could have done today? After you saw that first leg up, waited for the 2 legs back, which came right here. Here's 1 leg back, up. Here's 2 legs back. Here's a low, here's a low, here's a low. Here's that head and shoulders pattern some of y'all would have traded off of. Here's another low, here's another higher low. By here, man, once you get in this area, you have to know that, well, you don't have to know. Most people don't. I said you have to know. Most people don't know. That's the problem. That there's a chance we're gonna get that second leg. So once prices get above here, it's time to go. I mean, it's just time to go. Now, that's the overall thing. But man, there are so many trades here. I don't even know. Wait a minute. Let's just say you understand the market cycle, right? Because it's just way too many trades here. The market is so volatile. There's so many trades. Listen, get in and out of the market right now. Do not be greedy, okay? Do not get greedy. Bulls get fed. Bears get fed. Pigs get slaughtered, okay? Don't be greedy. Don't be greedy. Get in and out of the market. There's tons of opportunity. Don't be greedy. Just get in, get out. Now check this out. We're gonna just work from. We're gonna just take some trades. Look at not take some trades. We're gonna look at some setups that happen just if you had got above this level right here, realizing that we're probably gonna get a second leg. So let's look at everything that you could have taken once prices got back above 66.70. Let's do that. Let's see what kind of fun we can have with that today. Let's get this big. Now, let's look at some setups. Here we go. Check this out. Let's just say, we already know that, oh, this is the head and shoulders pattern we're talking about. So let's just start right here. All right. We coming off this low, it pushed up, it came back, but we made a higher low right here. So we know we got a low, we got a higher low. So as soon as we get back above the 21 EMA, I'm looking for something. Here we go. Pushed up. Man, actually, I may take this. You see this low right here? Then we push up. You see, man, you see the size of this candle? You could go right here. This is easily a low, higher low. You were already looking for a sign to go long. And if you already seen everything had happened, low, higher, high. Higher, high. We're making higher highs. We're moving higher, okay? We're moving higher. Actually, the first trade is easily right here. Let me just say that, because it is. Off this big boy signal candle. Now, the reason you may skip this is because the signal candle is too big. Again, volatile markets, your signal candles are going to be bigger than normal. Hey, that's a problem. You're going to have to figure out how to adjust. Either risk more and go for more, or skip some trades. You're going to have to bow out on some. Or you're going to have to set some, just be sitting there ready for that boy to go. But you may have to make adjustments in these volatile markets. I say that again. You're going to have to make risk management adjustments in these volatile markets. All right, so now the other way you could go, you could have waited and definitely went right here off of, in my opinion, the whole pattern. Low, push up, higher low. Then you get the signal candle. We've stayed above the 21 EMA now. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles above the 21 EMA now. I feel like we're gonna go higher. So that is definitely another entry right there. Let's see, let me grab it. You definitely can go right here on this candle. Now, this signal candle, okay, we'll give it a B minus, C plus. That's just too, I don't like the stem. Don't like the stem, but that's a pretty full candle though. So that's, hey, that's more than 3/4 full. So yeah, go time. And boom, that's off to the races. I mean, that's off to the races. And then if you don't go there, I mean, the next real beauty that's real clean is right here. This is just nice and clean. This is a low, pushed up. This is a higher low. This signal candle does out. So I said that, so this ain't clean. But man, when you get this candle though, look at it. I mean, look at it. That thing is beautiful. When you get that candle though, remember, here's why you go right here all day, every day. Remember, you're still thinking we're getting a second leg. We're expecting a second leg of the market cycle. So when you get a huge, beautiful candle like that, right off the 21 EMA, that's a higher low setup, huge, beautiful signal candle, your first target is right here. So you still think you coming to 66.75. You know, right now you're at 66. That's, man, that's an easy target for a quick, quick scalp. And that's 5 points. But you end up getting, this thing ends up, let's just say you run it up here a lot, man. You end up getting, let's just call it 66.90. That's a 20-point setup. That's a 20-point trade. That should be the day. You know what I'm saying? You hit that, call it a day, right? I mean, what more do you, what more do you want? 20-point day. So listen, there's plenty of trades out there. There's plenty of opportunities out there right now because we are in volatile markets. But again, use proper risk management in these volatile markets. Try to get in and out. Do not try to be greedy. Try to get in and out. Do not try to be greedy in these volatile markets. And if you play your cards right, you should really be able to catch some great home runs right now, right? But you risk management first, okay? Defense first. The offense is so abundant, right? The offense is so abundant in the markets right now. Just play defense and you're going to be all right? The fast break is going to come your way when it's supposed to come your way, all right? So listen, if you need any help if you want your charts to be set up nice and clean so you can see and read the price action like this, or if you want a great ATM strategy to get started, download the newest version of NinjaTrader that's inside my new free guide, the NinjaTrader Setup Guide. Just comment setup. I'll send that right over to you and it'll get you set up and it'll get you on your way. So until next time, which will be tomorrow, holla at your boy. My name is JD, and as always, I wish you increase on the sudden. Bye-bye.